Hi, aloha. Welcome to Mongoose Max Hawaii channel, and this an episode of Crypto Corner. This is where I look at, as an amateur, cryptocurrency, what I know, what I can figure out, and pass it along to you, learning as we go, as if to say. And a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so you gotta be responsible. You are responsible for the decisions you make with your assets, your money, your values, your cryptocurrency. I have mine in my mining wallet right over there. So in this episode, I wanted to look at Oduwa Coin, which I own. So this is really for members of the Oduwa Kingdom, and I mean by that is anyone who owns or bought Oduwa Coin, holds on to Oduwa Coin. And this is a reminder to HODL and relax. These are the key. Now, my focus is on the CoinBase maneuver, which recently happened. CoinBase, which is a kind of a broker of cryptocurrency, you can buy cryptocurrency using the CoinBase app, whether it's on your laptop or on your phone. And when this hit the market, way back when, 2017, that's a long time ago for cryptocurrency. When it hit the market, many people who heard of Bitcoin were now able to just simply buy it. And they did. They bought up a lot of Bitcoin. And the price of Bitcoin went, it's this December 2017 spike. Kinda, basically, I'm going on based on CoinBase, that app. So now recently the crypto world has seen CoinBase go to the Wall Street and offer themselves up publicly. That's where they buy stocks. So the company, instead of private, it goes public. And they publicly own pieces of it via the stock in Coinbase, much like as Facebook did, and then Facebook got huge. And now Coinbase does, and now Coinbase has gotten this large lead. So it went to the stock market, made itself public, and sold stock. And its value in total went up like 77 million, 100 million, and then it was 86 billion. It's staggering because it's the whole totality of it. This is just an app that sells you cryptocurrency. Much like an Oduwa Coin, we have Oduwa Pay app, and you can get a Oduwa Coin and put it in your Oduwa wallet, because Oduwa Coin is completely native to its own blockchain. Its own blockchain is doing its thing. But in my theories is many people follow the leader. They do the choosing. They basically they follow Bitcoin, the big one. Bitcoin does this, they're looking at Bitcoin because they want to make money, the day trading. So let me just get right to this. Oh, by the way, this is my channel. You can subscribe. Please subscribe, like, it's free. Watch videos. I do lots of news things. I'm trying to do the comedy thing and gonna get paranormal stuff. But cryptocurrency is cryptocurrency. As you can see, Oduwa home page, the link is right there if you go to the thing. So now, let's go to this article. I want you to see, I have it down here, I think. All right. This here was in the local newspaper. Now, if you notice, it's from Bloomberg, okay? And it's by Shannon Adam and Emily Barrett, is authors of this, okay? So the hangover is what they're talking about. What happened after the big sellout? Well, let me move this aside or something. If you look at this, it's the mania that drove crypto assets, this mania, to records. CoinBase Global Incorporated, the name of their company, went public last week, turned on itself this weekend, sending Bitcoin tumbling to the most since February. So basically what we got here is when it went public, the prices went soaring. And everyone got crazy. FOMO, fear of missing out. And they went to buy it, and then the prices went tumbling up. So it overreached itself, is what was going on here. The world's biggest cryptocurrency plunged, this is afterwards, as much as 15%. So just days after reaching the record height of 64,000 per coin, it's almost compared to losses when it was trading about 56,000. Now, 64 to 56, oh, boo-hoo, right? You only had $56,000 a coin. But that's a lot of money if you're day trading. That's a $8,000. So one coin you could lost $8,000 on. So everyone's, cringing at that. Now, Ether, the second giant blockchain, because Bitcoin giant blockchain is so slow because it's proof of work. Ether dropped its 18%. And these like funny coins, which is really like Dogecoin, is a kind of, it was just done just to do it. And people behind it got Dogecoin going. So why am I pointing out this giant boom of, it went boom, like high, like a rocket, like to the moon kind of style. And then it tapered off and then it plummeted. It's the market, what they say, correcting itself. It's not natural right now for Bitcoin to be that high. So in hindsight, this guy says it was inevitable in a tweet. And, even though they're talking about Dogecoin, I don't want to talk about Dogecoin right now. Financial, okay. They're saying it's the price it pays. So the crypto world is waking up with a sore head, mostly the day traders who are trading on those short gains and losses, and then, they'll go to their gain and then they'll stick it in their stable coin and hold on to it and then do the day trading. So the euphoria was in the air and then it went back. But we get some clues in this about CoinBase, which Oduwa Coin is moving towards. To Wall Street firms like Morgan Stanley, PayPal, Square are enabling transaction to their system despite lingering concerns over the volatility and usefulness of their method of payment. And governments are inspecting risks around the sector more closely as the investor base widens. So now they're talking about government regulation, which is good because it's not a Wild West situation and it might hinder some people, but it makes it stable, and cryptocurrency it's going to be around anyway, but it's going to be a more legitimate thing and more people will want to be able to use it very easily. And the Federal Reserve, the Fed, said last week, it's a little bit like gold. This is from the person in charge of the Federal Reserve Bank, which is a private bank, not a government bank. But basically, it's printing the government's money in the US. However, in Turkey, central bank is banning the use of cryptocurrencies because of the level of anonymity. So look at these countries as like people. Some people are they're all in, they want to try it out, or they just want to shun it completely and ban it. So let me take a look for you at CoinMarketCap. Now, if we're looking at CoinMarketCap here, over here we got Bitcoin. Okay, let's look at this graph. Can we see the graph? Okay, here's Bitcoin and its graph, right? Now that's like all of its stretch of existence. Let's shorten it down to 7 days. You can just press this one up here. It's a 7-day thing. So here's where. There's Friday, Saturday. It's like Wednesday they went. So okay, this is the part, Wednesday, okay? That's the part where they went public. Wednesday. Where is it? Wednesday, just before tax day. Now, if you look at this, it just took a few days and then it dropped. And then it dropped by Saturday to 55,000, and down here to 53, and it's still going down like that. Now that could look like a horrible downward trend from here where they went public to over here. It's all falling apart, but this is 1 week. If you look at 7 months, here's where they're all falling apart again, and look at that. A month ago, it was even lower than that. This little dip is nothing. And that's kind of my point. All they have to do is just stop their trading and hold on to it. And while it's low, just don't sell. Just hold it and then wait. Because this is a market reacting to what's going on as a news event. Just like it went, and I was doing a thing about how it's organic, because people make decisions. It's not all analytical behavior, mechanical. People are getting scared or they're getting confident. And if we take a look at Oduwa Coin, same coin market cap, just go in here and type in OWC, and we transfer the page to Oduwa Coin. And we do the same thing with this. There's the whole history. Let's look at the 7-day as we did over here. Now, here's that Wednesday, and it's going up and down here between, I don't know, it's about almost 69 cents. And then it takes little dips to 44 cents, and then it goes mostly like around 65 cents. And then it goes down, boom, right after the next day, down 24 cents, and it's hanging down there. So people buying and selling Oduwa Coin followed suit, much like the Bitcoin buying and selling, and the price did something similar. Although it doesn't have to, because Oduwa Coin is on its own blockchain. It's a native blockchain. So it could just hang up there on a high level. So let's look at the 1 month thing as we did with the other. And look, it went down the Thursday. So here's the Wednesday, and look at the Thursday. Oh, and then it started to go back up. And then it's dropping in like this. But this is its natural price right at the moment. And it took a dip because of that thing. Look how erratic it got, because people were hearing about this CoinBase, 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 and then they went and sold all over the place, because it's no one's in control of, you're in control, you are your own bank. And collectively, that's how all that stuff happens. So I just wanted to check in with you guys and just point that out. So back to, I know I'm not supposed to give advice in a lot of ways. I'm just a Oduwa Coin holder. But hold on for dear life. HODL. Just hold your coin. I hold mine in my mining wallet, and I hear it ringing and dinging once in a while as it goes along. And HODL and relax. And don't forget to press like and subscribe, and you can also link onto the Oduwa Coin.io website, even from my thing. So with the Oduwa Coin, it doesn't have to go up and down like the other alternative coins, and collectively hold HODL and relax. Then everything's gonna get better, because this is like a train that's slowly getting in motion. It isn't rocket yet, it's the train, but it's a big train, and it's been built, and it's being built, and there's pieces coming onto it, and it's slowly getting its momentum going, and when it goes, it's gonna go. So HODL and relax. Aloha, until next time.